Hi guys, so I lost some footage because my webcam is actually connected to my computer via USB cord, and so when I was digging out the aluminum foil from the pieces and making them hollow, I had cut myself, and I was working and things were going fine after I put the band-aid on, and then I don't know, I had moved or something. I don't know exactly what I did or when it happened, but I knocked the USB cord and it disconnected. It didn't pull out, but it disconnected and stopped recording. Usually it would make a noise to let me know that this happened, but it didn't make a noise for some reason, and I ended up losing footage. Here's what I have so far. I have actually hollowed out the parts. That's what I was doing when I was taking out the aluminum foil. So I hollowed out the parts and I built onto it. So I don't know if you can see, it's very bright in here, but okay, here we go. So now this is the shin part. It's nondescript. It's just basically a ball with a cylinder attached to it, and then the cylinder has been smoothed in to fit perfectly. So it's the side. I haven't added any detail. That's what I mean by generic parts. Like when you sculpt it, you basically just sculpt things straight up and down, no details, no bends, nothing. So like I said, a ball with a cylinder. That's what both of these parts are now. They're basically balls with cylinders. I also went ahead and added the cylinder to the arm parts. So it's hollow. To achieve this, I put a drinking straw in there, and then I basically sculpted around that. So it's hollow. All I have to do now is make this, smooth out the sphere. I'm sure it probably doesn't look much, it doesn't look like it on the camera, but it's too bright. Oh, sun. Okay. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's a bit rough in some places, so I need to smooth out the sphere, sand it, and then add detail. If I had materials to make a mold, I would basically just sculpt only one set, and then make molds of that, and then cast as many duplicates as I want, and then add details to that, because this one set can actually be used for both the right and the left side because there's no details. So I'm not sure if that makes sense. I'm trying my best to explain. But anyway, this is what I have so far. So I actually got a Patreon account to help fund this expedition. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll put the link in the description below. If not, it doesn't matter. I'm still going to record videos for you guys anyway. So, but Patreon is there. I feel like if I get support, I can be able to buy clay and stuff like that instead of waiting for so long in between videos. I can also get a new camera and a microphone, because someone actually once said that my voice is really, really low in these. I am trying the best that I can with what I have, but if you support me on Patreon, hey, I can get a mic and have better audio for these videos. So anyway, this is what I have so far. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and the next steps, the next thing I'm going to sculpt, I'm going to basically put all the limbs away, and I'm going to finish sculpting the head, and I'm going to add the upper torso and finish up the lower torso. I know it doesn't look like much now. It's just a hollow sphere with a little bit of a cylindrical tube going. I don't know, but it doesn't look like much, but I guarantee you this is going to end up being a torso. So yeah, I'm going to work on the head and the torso parts, and then I'm going to finish up the arms and the legs, and then the hands and the feet. So this new head, I need to go in there and take out the aluminum foil. I haven't hollowed it out yet, so I'm going to do that, and then yeah. Oh, one more thing. If you're going to be using X-Acto knives to cut your pieces apart, please be careful. It wasn't a bad cut, but I did poke myself a little bit, only one time this time. But yeah, be careful when you do that. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it's helping someone. If you guys would like, have suggestions or whatever, or stuff that you would like to see, let me know in the comments below and I'll try my best to accommodate you. So anyway, have a great day, y'all. Bye.